Good morning. Tango Radio Lima 90, Fox Alpha. Signal back. Signal back. Charlie Oscar, signal back. Nice to hear you. 5-9. Hold on to the Yankees. Yankee, 5-2, thank you. Radio Lima 90, Fox Alpha. M2WLY, 5-9. Thank you, Radio Lima 9, Fox, Radio Lima 90, Fox Alpha. Engine hotel. Kilo 8 Alpha 1 Hotel. Kilo 8 Alpha Lima Hotel 5-9, okay? Radio Lima 90 Alpha Fox Alpha. Radio Lima 90 Fox America. Whiskey Mike, 5-9, Tony. Tango. Radio Lima 90, Fox Alpha. MNTV, 5-9. Tango, Radio Lima 90, Fox Alpha. Radio Lima 90, Fox America.
As we hear a crow that's somewhere in the trees. So what we are hearing is Radio Lima 9, Fox Alpha. So that is a station, that is a special event station in Russia. And what it says here, special event station active from Stavropol and Kuban regions of Russia, August 9th through 16th, commemorating 90th birthday of Jacob Lapovok, UA1FA, outstanding radio amateur, famous Soviet-era AM radio designer, and one of the founders of the Union of Radio Amateurs of Russia. So, special event station from Russia. Heard on the Tecsun H-501X using reel-in antenna that's just dropped down my balcony, and that's all. No fancy antenna, nothing. Shows that you don't need to have fancy antennas to hear some nice DX. So Radio Lima 9, Fox 90, the Fox Alpha from Russia on 20 meters, 14 to 17.